Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by launching the camera app from the launcher so you can test hardware quickly. Once done, open Settings and check about Chrome OS to ensure your system is up to date. Updates resolve many camera issues. Make sure there's no privacy shutter or keyboard camera disable key engaged, because a blocked lens or hardware switch is the most common reason a camera seems missing. Now proceed to app-level permission checks to make the camera available to sites and apps. Next, you need to confirm Chrome OS is giving apps access. Navigate to Chrome, //settings/content/camera, and see which sites are allowed or blocked. Make sure you select the correct device from the camera dropdown if an internal and external camera show up. The wrong choice makes the image go black. Once you change permissions, clear any blocked entries and restart your browser or the camera app so the OS reinitializes the device. If a web app still shows no feed, test with the standalone camera app. Finally, you validate success by opening the camera app and then visiting a web video site to confirm a live feed and microphone sync. If the camera still fails, reboot the Chromebook to reload drivers. Make sure to try an alternate USB camera if available. As a last step before drastic measures, confirm any physical privacy shutter is open and that the device isn't disabled in the firmware. If nothing works, contact support or consider hardware inspection. Often a disconnected camera ribbon or broken shutter is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.